Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best dumpling steamer is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dumpling steamers, exploring what makes them tick, and why you absolutely need one if you're a fan of perfectly steamed dumplings. We'll cover everything from material to design, so you can make an informed decision and elevate your dumpling game to a whole new level. Number 5. Prime Home Direct 10-inch Bamboo Steamer Basket. Introducing the Prime Home Direct Bamboo Steamer Basket. This all-in-one set is made from 100% organic bamboo. It includes everything you need for steaming delicious and healthy meals. With its two-tier design, you can cook multiple dishes at once. The stackable layers and 10-inch diameter fit most pots, saving you time and space in the kitchen. Unleash your culinary creativity with it. This bamboo food steamer has water-resistant walls and a dome-shaped lid. It ensures even heat distribution, so you can say goodbye to soggy food. It's lightweight and delivers consistently delicious results. This bamboo veggie steamer offers a healthier cooking method. It absorbs excess moisture, locking in natural flavors and nutrients. It's perfect for creating delicious, guilt-free meals. Caring for this steamer is easy, just hand wash it with warm water and soap. The included steamer liners make cleanup a breeze. Simply fill a pot with water, stack your food, and steam your way to perfection. What we like? This steamer is an all-in-one solution, including chopsticks and a sauce dish. The two-tier design allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. If you're looking for a complete steaming experience with added convenience, this is the one for you. What people say? This new one is of an impeccable design. It seems to be put together in a stronger fashion than my previous one. It's the perfect size for my wok, and the two tiers let me steam up a feast of dumplings, veggies, and even fluffy little bao buns all at once. This steamer is easy to use and clean. It steams the veggies perfectly and creates no smell from cauliflower or broccoli. Number 4. Joyce Chen 2-tier Bamboo Steamer Baskets, 10-inch. Want to make delicious dishes at home? This steamer is a time-tested method for creating restaurant-style meals, including dumplings, veggies, and fish. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite foods. This steamer has 2 tiers, allowing you to cook several dishes or servings at a time. It's perfect for preparing a complete meal quickly and efficiently. This feature makes cooking easier. Using this product is incredibly simple. Just place it in a pan of water and heat it up. It's a hassle-free way to cook healthy and flavorful meals. This steamer is made with traditional bamboo, a renewable resource. It's an eco-friendly choice that adds a touch of natural elegance to your kitchen. You can feel good about using it. The dimensions of this steamer are 10 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 6 inches high. It's the perfect size for your kitchen, offering ample space for steaming your favorite foods. It's compact and practical. What we like? This steamer uses traditional bamboo, a renewable resource. The two-tier design allows you to cook multiple dishes at once. If you like a simple and effective way to steam your favorite foods, you should consider this. What people say? The 2 tiers were fantastic. I was able to cook shrimp dumplings in one basket and some vegetables in the other at the same time, which saved a lot of time. The bamboo absorbed the right amount of steam, and the heat was very consistent throughout the entire cooking process. They work really well for cooking vegetables and gyoza particularly. Number 3. Bamboo Steamer Basket, 10-inch 2-tier. This bamboo steamer is crafted from durable bamboo. It provides an authentic way to cook your favorite dishes, ensuring consistent results every time. Steam your favorite foods with this premium steam basket, made from 100% natural bamboo. It's ideal for dumplings, fish, and more. This design helps retain the authentic flavors and nutrients of your food. This 10-inch bamboo steamer is designed with extra depth, allowing you to steam more food at once. Enjoy easy cooking with this versatile steamer, perfect for preparing momos, bao buns, and a variety of other dishes. Steaming helps retain most vitamins and keeps the flavor and food texture. Use this bamboo steamer basket for cooking fish, broccoli, and other vegetables, or as a bamboo rice steamer or for steam baskets dumplings. Simply give it a quick rinse after each use. Make sure it's completely dry before storing. This is perfect for your dumpling steamer basket and other steamer dumpling needs. What we like. This steamer is crafted from durable bamboo, ensuring consistent results. It retains the authentic flavors and nutrients of your food. If you are looking to cook healthy and authentic food, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The metal rim placed on the top of a steaming pot is simply marvelous. The steamer worked really well and the size was just perfect where she was able to steam more than a dozen without overcrowding the steamer. The metal ring is handier than I initially thought. It allows me to use most of my saucepans as potential steamers. Number 2. Bamboo Steamer 10-inch 2-tier basket kit. This 2-tier bamboo steamer is 10 inches wide, offering a large capacity. It allows you to cook various dishes at the same time, saving your time and effort in the kitchen. Made with 100% natural bamboo, this steamer is both lightweight and durable. The smooth finish adds to its quality, making it a reliable tool for your cooking needs. Each steamer basket is equipped with heat-proof handles. This design ensures convenient lifting and prevents any risk of burnt fingers while handling the hot steamer. The included ring adapter is designed to increase the steamer's durability. It prevents the basket from soaking, extending its lifespan and ensuring long-term use. The set comes with reusable food-grade silicone liners. These liners prevent food from sticking, making the cooking process hassle-free and cleaning easier. Cleaning this steamer set is simple and quick. Just wash it with water and mild soap. Remember not to soak it or put it in the dishwasher. This dim sum cooker is both cost-efficient and time-saving. It doesn't require any electricity and offers a quick steaming process, perfect for busy cooks. What we like. This steamer has a large capacity with a 2-tier design. The heat-proof handles make it easy to lift. If you have a family or like to cook large meals, you should consider this. What people say. Trays fit snugly together and lid also, so steam is held in. Metal base ring allows usage on various size water pans, very good thing. The steaming capacity is sufficient, because of the dual stack trays. I was able to make 5 steamed buns on each tray. Number 1. Bamboo Steamer Basket, 2-tier 10-inch. This bamboo steamer basket is perfect for steaming dim sum, vegetables, rice, seafood, and buns. It's designed to make your food taste amazing. You can easily stack it for cooking different items at once. Inside, you'll find a 2-tier bamboo basket, perfect for making dumplings. It also includes chopsticks, reusable silicone liners, a sauce dish, and a stainless steel ring. A recipe book and instruction manual are also included. This steamer is handmade by artisans, ensuring amazing results. The traditional methods used combine with the design to create healthy and delicious cuisine. It's crafted to last and provide consistent results. This cooking steamer is 100% food safe and designed for health-conscious families. It helps lock in vitamins and flavors without compromising on the materials. You can enjoy your food knowing it's prepared safely. This product is made with sustainable bamboo and vegan processes. You can feel good about your purchase knowing it doesn't harm animals or the environment. It's a responsible choice for your kitchen. No need to worry about liners every time you cook. The Easy Wash silicone liners allow you to make your favorite bao buns with ease. It simplifies your cooking process. As leaders in Asian kitchen cookware, we stand behind everything we make. We ensure meticulous quality with every purchase. You can trust this product for its performance. What we like. This steamer has a stackable design for easy storage. It comes with chopsticks, sauce dish, and reusable liners. If you like a complete set with all the necessary accessories, this is the one for you. What people say. Works nicely for veggies and for frozen items, such as pot stickers. Easy to use, very little cleanup. This steamer I can use to cook different meals at one time. I use it for dumplings, xiaolongbao, and the steaming capacity is great. Really nice bamboo steamer. Works fine and does not disintegrate as some do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.